Level 3 Intermediate. Lesson 3 Making Suggestions and Recommendations. Welcome back. In this lesson, we will learn how to make suggestions and give recommendations in English. You can use this skill when helping someone, when giving ideas, when advising a friend. Let's begin step by step. Using should for suggestions. We use should to give a simple suggestion. You should drink more water. He should study for the exam. They should wear a jacket, it's cold. Should is used with the base verb. You should plus verb. Eat, go, drink, call, etc. Exercise. You eat fruits every day. Should or will. You should eat fruits every day. He take a break. He looks tired. Should or going. He should take a break. He looks tired. Using let's for group suggestions. We use let's to suggest something you and I can do together. Let's go to the market. Let's order pizza. Let's start studying now. Let's is always followed by the base verb. Exercise. Go to the temple in the morning. Let's or should. Let's go to the temple in the morning. It's late. Go home. Let's or should. Let's go home. Using why don't you. The phrase is used to give a suggestion in a friendly and polite way. Why don't you try this kurta? Why don't you ask your teacher? Why don't you call your friend? Use it when you don't want to sound too direct. Exercise. You are hungry. Eat something. Why don't you or let's? Why don't you eat something? He is confused. Talk to him. Why don't you or should? Why don't you talk to him? Giving recommendations. When you want to give stronger advice, you can say, I recommend visiting Kerala in winter. I suggest taking a cab at night. I recommend trying South Indian food. These are useful for travel, food, health, and general life advice. Exercise. I trying the masala dosa. Recommend or let's. I recommend trying the masala dosa. I going to Shimla in March. Suggest or should. I suggest going to Shimla in March. Real life examples. Here are some examples using suggestions and recommendations. It's hot. You should wear light clothes. Let's go to the park after dinner. Why don't you learn cooking from your grandmother? I suggest visiting Jaipur during the festival season. Exercise. It's very hot. You stay indoors. Should or will. You should stay indoors. Take the metro. It's faster. Why don't you or let's? Why don't you take the metro? Repeat and practice sentences. Repeat these sentences to practice. You should drink more water. Let's watch a movie. Why don't you talk to your brother? I suggest trying that restaurant. I recommend going early. Exercise. You go to the doctor if you are sick. Should or will. You should go to the doctor if you are sick. Let's tea at the stall. have or had. Let's have tea at the stall. Mini conversation giving suggestions. I am bored. Let's go to the new mall. Good idea. Should we take a cab? Why don't you drive? Okay, I will get the keys. Exercise. Let's to the new mall. Go or went. Let's go to the new mall. You drive. Why don't or should? Why don't you drive? Final recap. Let's review what we learned today. Use should to give simple advice. Use let's to suggest doing something together. Use why don't you for polite suggestions. Use I suggest or I recommend for stronger advice or recommendations. Exercise. You visit Manali in December. Should or let's. You should visit Manali in December. Try this new samosa place. Let's or should. Let's try this new samosa place. You take the train instead. Why don't or should? Why don't you take the train instead? I trying their butter chicken. Recommend or should? I recommend trying their butter chicken. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.